What's up with it, everybody? I'm at one of my mom and pop dealers. Y'all know I deal with a lot of them. Y'all know I copped me an Astro, and this is my rig. I wanted, I got a little time this morning, so, as soon as I open the back, I got my vacuum sitting on top of my power washer. Let me go ahead and take it down. I got my Harbor Freight steamer that's been going through it. Y'all already know. You know what I'm saying? I got a 2700 PSI pressure washer, a 270 gallon water tank, gravity fed. I got my Mako. These right here, man, bright. And it got like a rechargeable. Like soon as you plug it up, it stay lit for a minute, and then like I can still use it. Turn on different levels. Then I got my bottles. That kind of worked out. I got the cage one, so my bottles is able. I got my drill, some of my pads. I got my Flex 3401. And I wanted to keep it simple as far as products. Y'all know I got a lot of products, y'all know. But y'all know what me and Rome stand by. You know what I'm saying? I got my degreaser. I'm only rolling around with a 5 of degreaser, 5 of APC, and a 5 of dressing, which is down there. My dressing. This is just, a 4,000 watt generator. And believe it or not, guys, this Predator, it's not bad. I'm able to do what I need to do. I got 100 foot of hose of air. My power washer cords is up there on top of the, water tank. But this worked, man. This worked. But I'm gonna show y'all my new thing. I just, y'all know I only been truly mobile like this for like almost 2 weeks. Well, I was running a rig out of the back of a Tahoe, which I'm gonna show y'all that setup. So guys, for the guys that's just trying to get started, y'all ain't really got that much room. I want to show y'all that. But this right here, I just copped this. This is everything. That's what I'm noticing. Y'all know I'm a dealership detailer, and I'm starting to just deal with accounts and just do retail. Y'all know me and Rome, we the kings of dealership detailing. We know time is the essence, but it's a different type of time when you out here on your own. If I can't tell y'all nothing, get y'all as many clocks as y'all can. And I wanted to put that there because, I done been on a couple of, I feel like I was losing my ass sometimes, because you're paying attention to your phone, and, just trying to pull out your phone so much is hard. It's hard, you know what I mean? I got the Apple Watch and everything, that's cool. You can still keep up with your time, but this, you can keep up with your time. So if I come over here, I need a bottle or something, I'm always looking, boom. I need something else. How much time am I spending on one thing? I could be all the way back. If I run my hose, I could be all the way back and still can see it. I can see it from here. Let me show y'all. It's the other side of my water tank, my bucket. This right here is 30 gallons. It's a Craftsman's 29, 30 gallon air tank. This is just a mess. My Rug Doctor, one of the best investments. Really works. Just some of my towels. I'm not riding with a lot of stuff, guys. I know it seemed like it, but I'm kind of packed down. But guess what? I'd rather be packed down with that bang, like we just talked about on the podcast. I'd rather ride around with bang in the trunk than you out here playing, because I'm not playing, guys. Works perfectly. The gravity fed coming. That's my blower. The gravity fed coming on down. Running it through. I run it through. Boom. All I do is drop my pressure washer. Boom. Plug up. Start the system. Bang. generator. You know, lately I've been kind of using my steamer like in between jobs. I keep everything in here. The only thing I drop is that. You know what I'm saying? My pressure washer. Start my generator. Easy pull. Like that. Got my air. This is a simple system, guys. Not breaking the bank. Be Superman. I was just watching a video on YouTube. Also, it was, they was kind of just saying like, having a generator, having your own water is overkill. I mean, sometimes, it depends on what you're trying to do out here in the game. Don't be letting them tell y'all stuff and, they really don't even know what they talking about. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a dealership detailer, and I was riding around doing mobile even when I was in the dealerships. You know what I'm saying? I was riding around, filling my charger up, riding around, still getting jobs done. I ain't had no water. I ain't had no generator. I just got this. You know what I'm saying? And the only reason I got this is, I deal with accounts like this. A lot of people don't want to deal with accounts like this. But guess what? It's money in these accounts like this. You know what I'm saying? Y'all need to check out the podcast if y'all don't know who I am. Shout out to Rome, June Jones, Dealership Detailing Podcast. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to show y'all that rig that I had on my Tahoe. It was like a 55-gallon water drum. It was a circle drum. I had my generator in there. I had an electric power washer, but now I got a gas, And I'm just riding around with 1 gallon of tire shine, 1 gallon of acid, and that's it, man. I'm keeping it simple, and that's the thing, guys. Keep it simple out here, man. Don't y'all know I got way more stuff than this. I got my drill, cause I got my drill. Yeah, y'all need to grab y'all some drill brushes, man. Them things on point. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, shout out to Ron. I got my light up there. And that's it, man. That's how we rocking, yo. My leaf blower back there, Hey, we in here. I'm about to get to this straight like that. This is like one of the cheapest, simplest setups. Well, not cheapest. I say the one I had in the Tahoe was the cheapest, but this is a great setup, guys. If y'all just trying to get out here and get this money that half these people ain't trying to get. Straight like that.